Deep in the jungle, where the trees danced with the wind and the birds sang sweet songs, lived a tall giraffe named Gigi and a playful monkey named Milo. Milo loved to swing from tree to tree, and Gigi enjoyed munching on the tallest leaves. They had seen each other many times, but had never spoken. One sunny afternoon, Milo was happily eating bananas when Roar, a hungry lion, appeared from behind the bushes. The lion licked his lips and growled, "You look like a tasty snack." Milo's heart raced. He tried to swing away, but the lion was fast and chased him around the jungle. "Help! Help!" Milo cried. Gigi, who was nearby, heard the cries. She ran quickly toward the lion and stomped her big hooves on the ground. "Stop right there," Gigi said in a loud, strong voice. The lion growled, but Gigi didn't move. "You better leave my friend alone," she said. The lion huffed and grumbled. "Humph, you're too big for me to fight." And with that, the lion turned and ran away. Milo took a deep breath and hugged Gigi's leg. "Thank you, Gigi. You saved my life," Milo said happily. From that day on, Gigi and Milo became the best of friends. They played together, explored the jungle, and always looked out for each other. And so, in the heart of the jungle, under the bright golden sun, their friendship grew stronger every day.